Step 1. Start by going to eBay and searching for any book. Next, click on the seller's icon to open the seller's listings page. Now turn on Get Total Sold History. Enable Only Scan Items Sold in the last 3 days and set your scanning speed to 5. Step 2. Head over to Amazon and click on Bestsellers. Step 3. Pick any product that catches your interest. Step 4. Click the eBay automation button. This will help you find dropshippers. Look for listings with the same image as the Amazon product, but listed at a higher price. Those are your dropshippers. Step 5. Save each dropshipper by clicking the Save button, the floppy disk icon. Repeat this step for every dropshipper you find. Step 6. Keep building your list. Your goal is to save at least 500 dropshippers. Repeat steps 3 to 5 with different Amazon products. To view your saved list, open EcomSniper. Go to the Competitor Research panel, and you'll see all your saved competitors here. Step 7. Now it's time to scan your saved dropshippers. Open EcomSniper. Click on Competitor Research, then hit Run to start scanning. Wait for the scan to finish. Then click Show All Items to see the results. Step 8. Next, filter the results. Set the following: minimum sold quantity, 3 times in the last 3 days. Additional sold quantity, 10 times in the last 30 days. Maximum price, $50. Click Apply Filter, and your filtered results will appear below. Step 9. Choose an item to snipe. Click the Amazon automation button to find the exact same product on Amazon for a lower price than eBay. Once you find it, click on it. On the product page, click the eBay automation button to check the lowest price for that item on eBay. Remember this price. We want to beat it. Step 10. Go back to the Scanner Results tab. Click the Copy button to copy the title and price. Then return to the Amazon product page. Step 11. Now click Import to bring in the copied title and price. Set your price slightly lower than the eBay competitors. Finally, click Snipe List to post the item.